Welcome to Mr. Mitsubishi YouTube channel that covers a lot of all new Outlander stuff. Today we'll talk about Mitsubishi Connect app. So it's essentially app that connects with the car, and there's a bunch of features that you can use. Now, this app service is something not a lot of customers know that they even have, and actually not a lot of salespeople know that this vehicle have app service with it. So we'll talk about it today. We'll go through step-by-step instructions how to download the app, how to set it up, and we'll demonstrate on how to use it. So this here is a Canadian version of the Outlander. So in Canada, anything above LE model will have this app service. So LE, LEP, SEL, GT and GT Premium will have this Mitsubishi Connect. If you live in other markets like US, Australia, New Zealand, I'm not sure which trim levels will have it there, but if it's one of the top of the lines, you definitely will have this app service. It's a very convenient way how to communicate with your vehicle. Essentially, you can lock and unlock your vehicle remotely, but the biggest thing is you can start the vehicle remotely and increase and decrease the cabin temperature to basically accommodate your needs in a summer and winter time. So let's have a look right now how to download the app, how to set it up, and then we'll try it out as well. So first things first, we do need to download the app. Same app is on iOS and Android devices. So I have an iPhone. I'm going to be opening an app store. Just type in Mitsubishi. And here is my Mitsubishi Connect. So now there are several other apps. They're meant for either the PHEV or something else. So the stuff that we need to download is my Mitsubishi Connect. So it's a free app. We'll just get that downloaded here. And as soon as it's downloaded, we will proceed to set it up. As we can see, downloaded very fast. Okay, now we open the app. North America, Canada, continue. Okay, now you'll need to create your account, so that way you have access to full features of it. Okay, now to create an account, it's quite simple. So we just hit let's get started, and then just follow the instructions. So now you need to scan or enter the VIN. So if you're by your vehicle, it's quite easy. You open the driver's door, and the VIN number is down below here on this sticker. And then I literally just scan the barcode, and they'll pull up the VIN. Just need to agree to some terms. Continue. Add your first name, last name, email address and phone number. Not sure if we can skip that or not. Oh, no, got to be entered. Okay, now that we filled out all our personal information like name, address, and set up the account with the password and the PIN number, we come to this screen when it shows connect the vehicle. Let's get started and continue. So we just hit continue button. And this here comes up. So now we need to enter the vehicle and follow the steps. Okay, so now that we're in the vehicle, we need to go to Info and Mitsubishi Connect Services. And call Mitsubishi. Okay, so now it says registration complete. Okay, they tell us to follow the instructions. And we skip savings for now. Okay, now we did all the steps. It says congratulations, sign in to access your vehicle's features, and now we can just sign in and use the app. So Let's check it out how it works. Okay, so now that we set everything up step by step, fairly easy way how to set it up. This is the actual app, and now we can see what it has in it. So you have engine start and stop options. So that's the most important thing that you can get. Of course, the lock and unlock, which is pretty convenient thing as well. Now let's try to start the engine remotely. Any minute now. There we go. We just started the Outlander, and it's quite nice like that. So this is super easy in to use in any basically setting, and it's very convenient for the basically preheating the cabin or cooling it off, depending if you're in a summer or winter, I guess. This is definitely one of the favorite things that you'll ever have on your Outlander. If you go through the other options that's available, so you can see where your vehicle is located at, we can zoom it right in. You can get some information on the vehicle, like status, how much fuel is left. Not too much fuel in this one, only 22 kilometers with the fuel left, so we need to gas it up. And then all the oil levels and brake fluid levels and everything else. So it's like a health report, if you will, on your car. So pretty cool. Not sure what this one will give us. Let's see. Request in progress. Okay, so you can schedule and manage your service appointments as well from here. So there we go. So this is what it covers. So you do have engine start, stop button. You have, you can turn your lights on and off as well. You can lock in on your unlock your vehicle. You can find where it is on the map and manage your vehicle health report and manage your servicing on your vehicle as well. So as we just saw, the app is a pretty cool thing. It's fairly easy to set up. You just basically download the app and follow step-by-step instructions. And now the most important thing, you can actually see how to start the vehicle and lock and unlock it remotely. Remote start is definitely one of the best things about that app. Now, a couple things to keep in mind, as you just saw in the video, it takes a little time for the vehicle to start, right? So if you're sitting somewhere in a house or you're dining and you're just prepping your vehicle, it doesn't matter. But if you're basically wanting to start it right away and you're looking at it, just give it a little bit moment until it connects with the car. And the other thing to keep in mind, the temperature that you preset in your vehicle is going to be temperature that basically is going to be preheated or cooled down in the cabin for you. So if, let's say, you're at like 22 degrees, it's super hot day, before you leave the vehicle, you want to turn down the temperature as low as possible. Then the vehicle, when it starts, it's going to automatically pick up that temperature. You cannot, at this moment, control your temperature from the app. So that's just one thing to keep in mind. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope this helped a little bit. Like I mentioned before, a lot of the times people don't even know they have this app and this functionality with their Outlander. If you didn't know, now you know. If you knew it but just wanted to see how it's done, hope this video was helpful again. So thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.